Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have our student intern with us again today.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
So what are we making today?
We are making snowflake fork art.
Nice, here's mine.
Like it.
So before we get started, we're going to do a breathing exercise to relax us. And because we're doing something with snow, we're thinking about how cold snow is. So we're going to start off and we're going to be cold. We're going to take a deep breath in. And then when we exhale, we're going to blow out the breath out and warm up our hands. Okay, so let's do it 2 times together. All right, ready? So you're going to start off cold and inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Okay, I'm warmed up.
Yeah, me too. Thank you.
Yeah, me too.
So what supplies do we need today?
Construction paper, white paint, plastic fork, optional cotton balls, Q-tips, foil, and glue.
Okay.
So what's the first step?
So you're going to have your white paint in whatever container you want, and you're going to dip your fork into the paint. And I found that if you do it lightly, it works best. And then you're going to make a fork print on your paper. And I started with making a line up and down. So here's
Oh, okay.
my first ones.
There's mine.
Oh,
Right. And then if you need more paint, you can dip it in again. And you can make it as short or as long as you want. And now you're going to make your fork print go across. So you're kind of doing like a T shape or like a plus sign. So there's
mine.
yeah, nice. I'm going to make that one a little longer. And you can kind of do this however you want. And then what I'm going to do is fill in between the T shape.
Yes.
So you're making like a snowflake. And again, if you want to make it longer, you can do that. So here's mine coming along.
I filled mine in too.
Nice. How's yours coming,
yeah.
Carolina?
it's going good. It's a little off, but like it's still going good. Yep.
Right? I
Like
know.
snow.
It's kind of cool how the fork makes the print.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so what you can do is to make it more of a collage, if you want, you could do your whole paper with these, or you can add in some other stuff. I'm going to show you what I did with mine. I took Q-tips and I broke them in half and I just glued them on to be the shape of a snowflake. So I'm going to add one more onto this paper.
Nice.
I just
And another idea you could do.
and glued it. Yep.
Oh, and another idea you could do is I got some cotton balls and I'm just gonna pull them apart just a little bit like this, and then glue them on to the bottom of my picture or wherever you want to act as like snow, like snowfall.
Great.
Nice. Yeah. So Gail, with your Q-tip, you some of them you glued on and then some you just did dots for snow.
I glued all the ones that look like this, and then I just took my Q-tip and dotted around extra snowflakes.
Nice.
Thank you.
So I have one more idea that you could do for your snow collage. There's all kind of ideas. Is you can take a piece of foil and then you can roll it like this. So I'm making, guess what I'm making?
I don't know, Peg, what?
An icicle.
Oh, nice.
I like that. That's a good
Oh.
idea.
Yeah, so I think actually this is long, so I think I'm gonna cut it so I have 2 icicles. And then I can glue it. I think I'll like have them hanging from the top.
Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And I just finished another Q-tip one
And
like
then
that. Let's see your snow. Oh, that looks nice.
Nice, I like the
little
snow at the
snow.
bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. One thing I forgot to mention was that I had a joke. So before we finish, I think I need to just ask you both and everybody.
I'm so glad you didn't disappoint us because I was wondering.
We'd have to redo the whole thing. What do when snowmen and snow people eat for breakfast?
What do snow people eat for breakfast? What?
Frosted flakes.
Oh,
Ta-da!
cute. I like that.
Thank you. So thank you for joining us for this video. That was fun, and I can't wait to see how both of yours turn out later. And if
Yeah.
you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting!
Bye.
Bye.